What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another clandestine YouTube channel. Oh wait,
YouTube video.
YouTube video. Today we're gonna be working on the E36, as you can tell.
Yes.
Hasn't left the spot ever since that last video.
Bro, it's been like a month already, bro.
Dude, I was waiting for parts, buddy. Come on.
Alright.
Anyways.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
With our thorough leak check on the E36, my power steering pump is leaking. So, how to make the investment? Actually, it's an AAE power steering pump, so it's basically a yellow tag.
You mean it's a rack, not pump, buddy?
Yes, they know what I mean.
Alright. From FCP Euro?
That's from FCP Euro.
So this is quality stuff or something.
You know I'm getting a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty?
You guys sponsor us or no?
Sponsor us ASAP, here we go.
So, if you don't know the features of this pump, it actually has a 2.7 to full lock. 2.7 turns.
So is that better for drifting?
It's basically a Z3 steering rack, which is essentially better. Like, so what am I trying to say here? It's better for drifting.
Yeah, it's just better for everything.
Exactly.
Since this is a drift car, we got a rack to support the needs. New rack and pinion.
Alright, hold on, let me open this.
Unbox it. Damn.
Dang.
I've never seen these brand new, bro.
What we got here? Damn, I never had a brand new one either. Alright, boys, I guess this is the recommended fluid chart here. I don't know what the fuck. Hey, we're not doing that. Power steering service. Yeah, I don't need that, buddy.
We got to read all of this already.
Technician chart. I'm a technician, so let's do this.
You know already, or what?
I already know all this, dude. Anyways, where it was leaking from mine was up here. So
damn, it's dark.
it was falling, and then it was dripping right here, and then it was like shh, shh, shh. And I was like, where's it leaking?
So leaking from right there?
From up here, yeah.
Damn. Well, hopefully we can fix this E36 pretty soon here. So we can take it to get an alignment.
Heck yeah.
Let us know some drift specs for the angle kit for the E36.
If you guys have any.
If you guys have any, yeah.
Let us know though.
Alright guys, we are taking apart the Chase base kit right now. Trying to take the bracket off right now, but the bolt's like very in there and cannot get it. He's looking for a tool. What are you looking for? The little ratchet?
Yeah.
What the hell? Alright guys, the Chase base lines are out of the steering rack right there. Was that easy peasy?
Lemon squeezy, buddy.
Damn, that shit was kind of fire what we just did there. Guys, hopefully in the next video this car will be running and getting an alignment so it could be dialed in and we could do some tricks. What the?
What, man?
Bro, the cat had his, he's saying it's 2 cents right now on cam.
He's saying, what the fuck, this guy don't feed me. It's not my cat, but I feed him.
Yeah, this is, what's it? This neighborhood cat, bro. Let's go ahead and interview him right now.
Yo, talk to you. Hey, come here, dude. I'll give you like 10 bucks if you talk to the camera.
Bro, he could really use 10 bucks right now, actually.
Bro, it looks wet fell though. Like he's not even.
Oh. Alright, guys, we're jacking up the whip. Gotta get it off the ground. We gotta remove the tire rod end pieces so we can take out the rack. So we have to undo the angle kit for a little bit. So we put the new rack in and then reinstall it and I will align it. I think it should be pretty easy. Hopefully this video goes smoothly because it's like hella hot out here today. Alright guys, we are loosening the, what do you call it?
Steering.
The actual steering column.
U-joint or something? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. The thing that goes to this damn steering wheel, that thing. And that's actually where it was leaking from, huh? That little rubber gasket thing, like right there.
Yeah, it was coming out from there.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're trying to get this power steering, or not power steering, what is it called? Steering rack out. It's taking a little while. Cause we're trying to disconnect it from the steering column, whatever. You kind of see it there.
Might need to split it some more.
Probably. That's the whole system right there. Going across, there's literally only 2 bolts holding it. You're in the steering column, that's it. So we're gonna try to wiggle this thing out so we can slide in the brand new guy. Bro, for all the C6 people, bro, y'all haven't seen it in a while. Like, what happened here? Yeah, it turned into something worse, bro. Bro, what happened to your bumper, dude?
It fell, dude.
Bumper straight fell off.
KZ trips, man.
Do your dance right now. Do your dance right now. Do it for the bro. We're almost at 900 subs, bro. What?
The guy that's like.
Daniel Larson, bro. I don't have weapons. Show him our new daily.
Hmm?
The new daily right here. Show it to him.
This is my new to me. almost
It had 2 miles on it, bro, when you got it.
Like about 1.
1 mile?
Yeah. I actually had them tow it out of the factory into the dealership. You know?
Alright, guys, look at this. No, actually not that bad, huh?
No.
We need to find a flathead to like pinch open the clamp that grabs right here. The little spindles. Yeah. So what now? Evaluate?
Give me some rags. I'm gonna clean the fuck out.
Alrighty, let's get some rags. Where are the rags at? Oh, they're on top right here.
John.
They're here.
They're on top, Jonathan.
Yeah, I know. Let's get these.
Oh, don't thanks, me.
That thing's hella. Oh, it's hella leaking, buddy.
Where?
Well, the rack itself.
Oh, shit.
You guys a nice little comparison. We got this old Johnny full of oil, or it's oily. Then we got, boom! This is like shiny, yellow tag. Oh yeah. New tire rods. Oh yeah. This is gonna be a good install, buddy.
Prepared as usual. Is this gonna have fluid in it?
Oh, is it pre-fluidy?
I think so. Yeah. Well, it has like lube, I think.
Yeah. We're gonna put the Chase Bays, what do you call it?
What, the A&N things?
The fittings on there from
Where'd you put them?
the lifting rack. Well, I guess here we go. Putting the fittings on. Make sure they're tight while they're out of the car. I think you're gonna forget and leave them hand.
Oh, there's a hair in there. How's Spinito's hair getting in?
The hair was gonna mess up the seal of the thing. You got hella black stuff on your face right now. Let me see. You have like 3 black things. Yeah, guys, we're gonna put these fittings on. We're gonna slide the new rack into the car, and hopefully it all goes well. Bro, the car is literally flaring out on both ends right now. You have max tow out. Guys, leave in the comments what Jose should get me as a payment for helping him a little bit.
A little bit? Dude, you just sat here and recorded me the whole time.
That's my job.
I don't pay you for this shit. I don't pay you at all, actually.
Bro, don't pay me with nothing, bro. I'm over here sitting in the 100-degree weather for him, bro.
Here we go.
Moment of truth right now.
Wait, let's get a game time going. What am I gonna do first?
You have to. Well, I could.
Should I put the screws in? Pass me all the screws. They're right there on your foot.
You have to put the.
Oh.
Well, I mean, I could put the right one in.
Oh shit! All right, give me the. Oh, you have the nuts.
But you have to put the shaft, yeah. Then I'll pass you this.
The shaft's right here.
Damn, this is low heavy.
Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, I got it.
Alright. It was like from here. Steering column, steering rack is in.
Sweet.
Looking pretty minty.
Sweet cheeks. That's good. We need to put the bolt in and then lock it in.
Yeah.
Let me clean this shit first.
Alright guys, the rack is fully installed. You guys can see that, but it's looking good. Brand new and shiny. Now we gotta put the tire rod, what do we call it? What do you even call it? Just to connect the tire rods. The like center part of the 2 ends. So we're gonna do that right now, and this install should be complete. We also got the Chase Bays in. We connected the steering column. So yeah, the steering column was probably like the hardest part because we had to align the little splines and everything, but came out good. As you can see, the wheels are back in alignment, sorta. Eyeball alignment, just for now. And the steering rack is good. Chase Bays kit is not fully assembled, but it's all plugged in. What do you rate the install right now?
It wasn't that bad.
Which is very messy.
That was a lot of. It was like an hour worth of cleaning the fucking.
Yeah, we just been cleaning for like 30 minutes because there was so much gunk everywhere. But it was not that bad as I thought it was gonna be. It was literally what, 2 bolts and the steering column. Got everything inside already. Everything should be good. The alignment's not that good, but
it's pretty horrible.
It just needs to make it like 20 minutes down the road to the alignment shop.
That's a lot.
Guys, look at a lot of time. Look at this guy though. Hey, hey, he's hyped. Getting the last couple chase base brackets put in. Calling it a day after that. The long john extension. The sun setting. So bright. Bro, I call Jose hating on cinnamon right now. Look, people, even he helped us out. Look at it. We need to put some fast orange on his on his fur, bro, to get the oil out. He helped us out though. Look at this fella. What do you guys rate his fresh cut? Oh, like he's gonna show y'all his paws. What do y'all rate the cut though?
Yeah, he's got poor dog around, man.
Bro, you didn't even get water this whole time that we were out here.
Stop lying to that.
Just playing, bro. Just playing. We're one step closer to getting this E36 back on the road. Pretty much just need to put everything back together and
just alternator and then the exhaust. I mean the intake.
And then pretty much just take it to the alignment shop, get the drift alignment settled, and the car should be good. We gotta play with the ride height too though, because you can see it's pretty pokey on this wheel setup. So I guess we'll have to see how that's gonna play out whenever we do get the alignment. But so far everything went smooth on the steering rack.
Alright guys, so we're all done here as you can see. I'll try to get this car finished, you know, just put all the whatever's been left, so the alternator and stuff this week. So hopefully by next weekend we can take it to get an alignment and then we'll be out on the road. Hopefully by next week you'll see a video of us.
Hopefully, so you'll be swinging it already. You got new tires though.
Just one,
it's bald, bro.
Yeah, that's it. But so we'll see how that goes and we'll keep you guys posted on that. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching another video. But you got anything to say?
Like, subscribe, comment, share, and that's it.
We'll see you guys on the next
Peace.
one.